Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, the channel where passion meets precision, and where every vessel has a story to tell. Today, we're diving into one of the most respected and enduring names in American yacht building, the Burger Motor Yacht Classic Series. For more than a century, Burger has been synonymous with craftsmanship, elegance, and engineering excellence. These aren't just boats, they're hand-built works of art designed to stand the test of time. From the graceful 85-foot cruisers of the 1960s to the majestic 118-foot masterpieces of the 1980s, Burger's classic series defines what a true motor yacht should be: timeless, capable, and deeply personal. In this review, we'll explore the design, their interiors, their performance, and what makes these yachts so revered among collectors and seasoned captains alike. The Burger Boat Company has been crafting custom yachts in Manitowoc, Wisconsin, since 1863. Making it one of the oldest custom yacht builders in the world. The classic motor yacht series became the brand's signature identity through the mid to late 20th century. Unlike production yachts that come off an assembly line, each Burger was built to order, reflecting the exact wishes of its owner. These yachts were created during a golden era when naval architecture met true artistry. Models like the Burger 85, Burger 90, Burger 106, and Burger 118 became icons in their own right. Each one retained that unmistakable Burger silhouette, the long bow, the balanced superstructure, and the gracefully rounded stern, but each was distinct, tailored for its owner's cruising dreams. The smaller models, such as the Burger 85 or 90, offered intimate cruising experiences with room for family, while the larger 106 and 118-foot yachts were full-blown luxury residences on the sea, designed for long-range comfort and global adventure. A Burger classic doesn't shout for attention, it earns it quietly through flawless proportions and exquisite detailing. The hulls are built entirely of aluminum, one of the brand's proudest innovations. At a time when most yachts were built in steel or wood, Burger pioneered all-aluminum construction, which offered lighter weight, corrosion resistance, and outstanding longevity. The classic Burger aesthetic is pure maritime poetry. The gleaming white hull contrasts beautifully with the deep varnished teak trim, polished cap rails, and chrome fittings that gleam under the sun. The sheer line, that gentle upward curve from bow to stern, gives the yacht its signature elegance. The deck layout is smart and balanced, with wide walk-arounds, spacious foredecks, and aft decks ideal for entertaining or simply enjoying a quiet sunrise. Each model carries subtle variations in proportion. The Burger 85 and 90 are compact and sleek, perfect for owners who enjoy hands-on cruising or smaller crews. The Burger 106, perhaps the most famous of the series, strikes a near-perfect balance between scale and manageability, offering 3 decks of space without ever feeling excessive. The larger Burger 118 extends the concept to a full-fledged superyacht while preserving the same understated character that defines the line. Every angle, every curve reflects deliberate craftsmanship. Whether viewed from the dock or cutting through open water, a Burger classic projects confidence and poise, a yacht that feels as good to look at as it does to command. Step inside any Burger classic, and you'll understand why these yachts have remained so beloved. The interiors are crafted almost entirely by hand, a symphony of wood, metal, and light that blends luxury with warmth. The main salon is usually the heart of the yacht. Expect rich teak and mahogany paneling, built-in cabinetry, and panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. Soft leather sofas, custom furnishings, and brass accents create an atmosphere that feels timeless rather than trendy. Everything is built with marine precision: cabinet doors that close with a satisfying click, drawers that never rattle, and joinery that aligns perfectly even after decades of use. On a Burger 106, for example, the salon typically flows seamlessly into a formal dining area, with space for 6 to 8 guests. The sense of scale is generous but never ostentatious. The smaller Burger 85 and 90 retain the same craftsmanship, just in more intimate proportions. Think cozy lounges, smaller galleys, and clever use of built-in furniture that maximizes every inch of space. Below deck, the staterooms continue the theme of refined comfort. The master suite often occupies the full beam, with a queen berth, private head, and classic teak cabinetry. Guest cabins feature twin or double berths with tasteful linens and small portholes framing views of the sea. Even the crew quarters are finished to a high standard, compact, functional, and thoughtfully organized. The galley, or yacht kitchen, showcases practicality and beauty in equal measure. Stainless steel countertops, deep sinks, ample storage, and marine-rated appliances make it a chef's dream at sea. It's not just functional, It's artfully integrated into the yacht's character. Each Burger interior tells a story. While layouts vary, the philosophy is constant: warmth, precision, and handcrafted American luxury that never goes out of style. At the helm, the Burger Motor Yacht Classic Series showcases a perfect marriage of traditional aesthetics and dependable engineering. The pilot house is typically framed in varnished teak with a polished stainless steel or wooden wheel at its center. The dashboard is a blend of analog and mechanical precision, rows of gauges, engine controls, radar displays, and navigation equipment, all laid out with professional simplicity. Standing at the helm of a Burger 106 or 118 feels like being in command of a true ocean vessel, solid, confident, and deeply satisfying. The sightlines are excellent, the feel is reassuring, and the feedback from the wheel is smooth and natural. Over time, many owners have updated their systems with modern GPS and touchscreen controls, but even with those upgrades, the old-world character remains intact. Underneath the polished decks lies the soul of every Burger, the engine room. Step into one and you'll immediately notice the cleanliness and order. Bright white enamel walls, diamond plate floors, neatly routed hoses and wiring. It's a mechanical masterpiece. Most Burger classic yachts are powered by twin Detroit diesel or Caterpillar engines, depending on the era and build. These engines are renowned for their reliability, smooth power delivery, and ease of maintenance. The Burger 90 and 106 models typically cruise comfortably between 12 and 15 knots, with top speeds reaching around 18 knots. The larger 118-foot versions can maintain similar cruising performance thanks to more powerful engines, while smaller models sip fuel and deliver impressive range. The hull design, a semi-displacement shape, allows for both efficiency and comfort. It glides smoothly through waves, offering stability in moderate seas without sacrificing agility. Handling is remarkably responsive, considering the yacht's size and mass. Many captains describe the Burger as predictable, a yacht that feels alive but never demanding. Because the yachts are built entirely in aluminum, maintenance is simplified, and longevity is enhanced. Unlike fiberglass, aluminum resists blistering and fatigue, making it ideal for decades of use. That's why so many Burger classics from the 1960s and 1970s are still active today, cruising oceans or serving as lovingly restored collector's pieces. The Burger Motor Yacht Classic Series stands apart not through trends or gimmicks but through heritage and integrity. Each vessel was built with a philosophy of excellence, not just to meet an owner's needs, but to exceed them. The fact that so many of these yachts are still in service decades later is proof of their enduring quality. Another defining factor is customization. No two Burger yachts are identical. Every owner collaborated closely with Burger's engineers and craftsmen to choose layouts, finishes, and details. That personal touch means each classic carries its own story and soul. Collectors and enthusiasts love Burger yachts for their timelessness. A Burger 85 might charm you with its intimacy and elegance, while a Burger 118 commands awe with its stately presence. Yet all share the same DNA, strength, balance, and the unmistakable Burger silhouette. Owning a Burger isn't about status. It's about appreciation, for design, for quality, for authenticity. These yachts have a way of forming emotional bonds with their owners. You'll often find families who have passed the Burgers down for generations, each one adding new stories to its legacy. Even when compared to modern composite or carbon fiber superyachts, the Burger Classic holds its ground. There's something undeniably satisfying about the feel of real teak beneath your feet, the scent of polished wood, and the gentle hum of twin diesels beneath an aluminum hull that was built to last lifetimes. The Burger Motor Yacht Classic Series is more than just a line of boats. It's an embodiment of what yacht building can be when tradition meets perfection. From the compact grace of the Burger 85 to the ocean-spanning elegance of the Burger 118, each yacht tells a story of craftsmanship, integrity, and timeless beauty. Here on Sir Boats Yacht, we celebrate vessels like this because they remind us that true luxury is quiet, enduring, and deeply personal. The Burger Classic isn't about showing off, it's about belonging to a tradition that values artistry and precision above all else. If you ever get the chance to stand on the deck of one of these American legends, take a moment to appreciate the details, the smoothness of the woodwork, the hum of the engines, and the sheer sense of pride that comes from something built by hand and built to last. That's the story of the Burger Motor Yacht Classic Series, an icon that has earned its place in maritime history through excellence, beauty, and soul. Thank you for watching Sir Boats Yacht. If you enjoyed this journey through one of the most timeless yacht series ever made, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow enthusiasts. Until next time, keep the seas calm and the spirit of adventure alive.